How far we came, and culture shows how we are as a human being. There is no country like India, quite as diverse, multilingual, and multicultural, yet bound together by the ancient bonds of shared traditions, culture, and values. Such bonds need to be strengthened through enhanced and continuous mutual interactions between people of varied regions and ways of life so that it encourages the reciprocity and secures an enriched value system of unity amongst people of different states. Ek Bharat, Shresth Bharat was announced by Honorable Pradhan Mantri Shri Narendra Modi ji on 31st October 2015 on the occasion of the 140th birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. This program aims to celebrate the unity in diversity and to promote the spirit of nation and national integration to showcase the rich heritage and culture, customs, and traditions to create an environment. This promotes the learning between the different states by sharing their best practices and experiences. So, with this, we would like to start our program. Thank you.
संस्कृत्याः यद् यासु न मानु प्रयासापरि वीरबेदी सरदार आलू एते संस्कृत्याः वेदवेद ही एला मानविथे प्रयोज नाभे निडु संस्कृतिये तापरे. Culture difference should not separate us from each other, but rather culture diversity bring a collective strength that can benefit all the human beings. It's a grand welcome we bring you this morning, filled with desire, hope, and dream we all share. A very warm and refreshing morning to one and all present here. Strong leadership is the foundation of school success, and without you, that not be possible. It extend my warmest greeting and heartfelt welcome to our principal ma'am, Ms. Rachna Dev. We were delighted to offer the most hospitable welcome we can. We are truly honored by the presence of respected principal ma'am, Ms. Geeta ma'am of KV Doni Malai. Now, we would like to take the permission and blessings our principal ma'am to candle the flame of enlightenment and officially inaugurate our event. I would like to call Ms. Rupal ma'am, History PGT, and Ms. Rihu ma'am, Rishu ma'am, English PGT. As the lamp is lit, may it radiance touch each one of you, kindling in you the immortal flame of knowledge and understanding. Now, welcome our performance whose lyrics are Tera Hoya.
बोलो बेटा। मान रहा विश्व सारा लोहे तिरंगे की उड़ान का, तुम भी समझो क्या कारण है भारत के कीर्तिमान का। एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत के अंतर्गत वर्ष भर विद्यालयों में अनेक कार्यक्रम प्रस्तुत किए जा रहे हैं, जिसके द्वारा सहयोगी राज्य को जानने व समझने के अवसर प्राप्त हो रहे हैं। इसी श्रृंखला को गति प्रदान करते हुए लीजिए प्रस्तुत है कर्नाटक के केवी धोनीमलाई के छात्रों की एक पीपीटी। Good morning. I am Sandhana of class 10B from Kendriya Vidyalaya Dhonimalai. Good morning. I am Shrishti Vidyarthi from class 10B from Kendriya Vidyalaya Dhonimalai. Today we are going to talk about history and culture of our state Karnataka. Firstly, let's talk about Karnataka. In the entire Karnataka, there are various historical places and beautiful natural spots. It's also full of hilly areas with lush green valleys, collection of various rivers and waterfalls. It has been the land of many powerful dynasties. Now talking about the location of Karnataka. The Karnataka state lies in the southwest part of India. It is surrounded by many other states like Maharashtra, Goa, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. The boundary of Karnataka state also touches the Arabian Sea. There are total 31 districts in Karnataka. Let's have a glance at monuments in Karnataka. Voice is not one of the most famous monuments in Karnataka is the stone chariot in Hampi. It's an iconic monument located in Vijayanagar district in front of Vijayanagar temple. Hampi is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Dedicated to Garuda, official vehicle of God Vishnu. Now the Bidar Fort. Bidar Fort is built by Adil Shah, which is located on the edge of the Bidar Plateau. It is made by the red laterite stone and it has served many ruling families of South India. Then comes the beautiful Mysore Palace. It is the royal official residence of the Boreas. It is one of the most famous and most visited places. Now your voice is not audible. Also has a very maybe don't you like your voice is not audible.
Maybe some technical problem is there, but just carry on, beta. You start. Carry on.
It's on. It's audible now.
Yeah, it's audible. Just carry on.
Is it audible?
Yeah. It's audible.
Okay.
Audible.
Now talking about the natural beauty of Karnataka, the waterfalls in Karnataka. Joe Falls is the most famous waterfall in Karnataka. This is a vast waterfall on the Sharavati river located in Siddhapur Taluk, Uttar Karnataka district. It's the second highest large waterfall in India. Now talking about attractive culture of Karnataka, folk dance. Yक्षagana is the most popular folk dance in Karnataka. It's popular in the coastal Karnataka district. Moving on to the delicious cuisine of Karnataka. First, Mysore masala dosa. It is a type of dosa which is liked by everyone in Karnataka. It is a crisp dosa and it is served with red